because if you don't, you're gonna miss out. But gosh, it seems like we've had all brand new in 2 hours. Chunky is my wonderful producer, and he texted me earlier today, and he's like, so, like, what are your thoughts about a jump start? And, like, number one, not even a contest, right back at you, buddy, was we got to do the big deal. And over 900 of you have already picked this up. It is fabulous. It is fun. It's exciting. It's new. It's fresh. I've never seen anything like it from you guys before. And I've been loving Skechers. I always am very proud that I've been in both coasts headquarters on, I finally learned to say it right, Sepulveda Boulevard, and also up in New York City. And there's so many cool divisions. And when you meet Angela, you know her, you love her, you feel like you've known her forever right away. How cool to have all these shoe experts helping you have the best feet, the best steps, and also the best fashion. So let me take you through colors, because this is natural. And by the way, big means before it's gone. So this price will go up. The natural's been very popular. All of them have Aurora Borealis crystals except for the black, which has really the look of that black diamond. We have medium and wide, whole and half sizes. Get it before it goes. It's brand new today. And it's been on fire. This is our navy. I decided to go with the sage. I mean, it's just so good. Love, love, love the sage. At this price at $11 on Easy Pay, I would do like maybe a black or a natural and then a pop of color, or maybe navy, black, or natural and a pop of color. And then we also have it, you're seeing it now, right? The whole lavender lilac movement in shoes. So to go backwards, that's the lilac. Here comes your beautiful soft sage green, a very different green than our value of the day. Here's your navy. I love how you say that flooded or to the floor black that a lot of people in business need for their uniform. But you are stepping out in these baby cakes. And then last but not least, the most popular, the natural, free shipping, 5 easy payments. And when you add up what you're saving with the free shipping and handling that, you know, would have been what, probably $5.50. This is like a $15.50+ savings on a shoe that just makes us smile, and I think it's what we need right now. This is a joy. This is a comfort and joy moment.
It is. I mean, this is such a good style because it's a mule. This is actually the first Skecher style I ever had. A mule sneaker.
Really?
Yes, over 20 years ago, when my husband worked at Skechers in Manhattan Beach, he brought me home my very first pair of Skechers, and it was this sneaker mule, similar to this. It was a little sportier, but it had that sneaker bottom, the ease of a mule. But I love when you have a mule that has a really nice heel cup like this one, because it's so easy to get into, also not easy to slide back out the back. But this one, even though it's like a sneaker, it's an easygoing outsole, it's shock absorbing, it's lightweight, it's flexible, we added this embellishment, these beautiful rhinestones to just kind of embellish that knit a little bit more, but know that underneath, that knit still feels like that super soft sock, so you don't feel those rhinestones underneath at all. It's so incredibly comfortable. Speaking of comfort, the memory foam, oh my goodness, heel to toe, you just slide your feet into these mules and feel that amazing memory foam. It's also relaxed fit, so you're getting that little bit of extra wiggle room in that toe box. So if you want to wear a sock with this, it's just nice to have a little extra wiggle room. You know? Because
you know what extra wiggle room means? That means your bunions get red and sore. That, you know what's new for me too is when a shoe is too narrow, all of a sudden the pinky toe starts getting smushed.
Do you know what happens?
Yelling wee, wee, wee all the way home.
I have one too. When if I wear something too narrow, it pinches a nerve in the middle of my foot.
No.
Has that ever happened to you if you wear like a high heel or something?
And you just...
So I don't wear those anymore.
No. All right, let's do colors because, wow, we're busy, and we should be because it's brand new today. It's part of our Super Style Weekend. It's called the Glitz Strut, which, I mean, that is just a shoe playing in your head. Like, Glitz Strut, Glitz Strut, Glitz Strut when you're walking down the street. Here is our lilac. If you want to see a trend emerging for spring 2025, it's been the lavender lilac story that we've had in Shoe Shopping with Jane, where everything is shipping for free and everything has been brand new, and that is not something we normally say. I chose the aqua because it literally makes me feel like I'm a mermaid. Ow! You know what's fun? If you're a March baby, it's the color of a fine aquamarine gemstone. So if you can't afford the 10 carats of aquamarine, like the Santa Maria aquamarine, you get her this shoe. Yay. Next to that, we have navy. And it's so funny. I was looking at Jackie's feet, your feet, and mine, and I'm thinking that additional little sparkle has made such a fashion difference.
So pretty.
And yet, you're not suffering for your art. You're not taking this off and needing those bandages to kind of go around where all the blisters are. Every single shoe in the show has been a blister-free zone, and we've had 2 hours of all brand new.
I like that zone.
Love, love, love the black.
Yes.
Maybe get black and another color, because gosh, $65 will be a great price for this shoe. $54.98. It's kind of like a today's special value moment, but we're also giving you something lightweight and fun and fresh, and natural is already getting limited in one of our sizes on the bar as it goes across, and that's kind of wild because this is basically brand new today.
It is brand new today.
We sold 3,000 before the show started.
Yes, we did. We had one little presentation in Saturday Morning Q. They are amazing. I think every design detail, I wanted to call it too, in the lilac even, we've tinted the midsole. So I think that I love the way our designers think of these things. So it's not all, each outsole is not the same color. It kind of just elevates the look.
You know what just hit me?
What?
Because I mean, my sister came over today in Skechers, and I was traveling a lot, and it's just like Skechers everywhere. It doesn't have that big S on this. It doesn't have the Skechers name. And I think that's so cool because we're looking at something that is elevated and elegant and fun. Can you wear it with your PJs? Absolutely. Can you wear it with your joggers and oversized t-shirts? Of course you can. But when you want to kind of get that Glitz Strut in your step, this is the way to do it, but it's not giving you that advertised moment that you see on some of the more casual designs. And I really appreciate that. I love that.
That's our active division. So that's where this comes from, and that's the whole concept behind it. We still want you to be comfortable because you're living a busy life. You have a lot of things to do, but now this is a more casualized look, something more versatile that's going to go. I mean, they look adorable with your dress.
Loving it.
But also the most everyday casual outfit. I'm wearing basic jeans, like a zip up from Skechers, and it's working for me too. I mean, it's going to work, and Jackie looks adorable too in her denim skirt.
I think that's what hit me because I've seen you both in these same outfits with different shoes, and it looked great. But there's something about that extra element of sparkle that is not like crazy in your face sequins, but it's just like, oh, what's that? And you know what? It brings you joy and it makes you smile, and that's what fashion should do. But usually when things like that happen, you're not comfortable, and now you're comfortable. So since we made this available, we are now in at about 4,300 ordered. I don't know if you've been following red light, green light, but some of our navies especially are starting to get limited. And before it's gone is usually brand new. I always say it's like a value of the day. It just lasts a couple days longer. So if we're now saying that with like 2 presentations, it's now getting limited in some sizes, don't leave it in your cart. Like, I cannot implore, even though I sometimes do it, and I did it this week, don't do it. Oh. Because I missed out on the shoe that I wanted. Yeah, I wanted the Revitaline and Fossil, and it's gone. So here's your lavender, lilac, I should say. That's lilac. I mean, this is so great for Mother's Day and Easter. Running around at the Easter egg hunt would be so cute. Here's our aqua.
Sage.
Sage.
But it does. But you know, it does have a more of an aqua.
Yeah, because I'm thinking like our value of the day sage is a true green.
Yes. This looks more. I think we should have called it aqua.
But that's okay. Like really like aquamarine. You know, like the gemstone.
Yes.
Navy already getting limited in some of our sizes. Black. I mean, I think this is like the wedding shoe. This is the graduation shoe. This is the anniversary shoe. And next to that, we also have it in the natural, which has been the most popular. Please tell my buds either in New York or on Sepulveda Boulevard that they knocked it out of the park.
I will. Thank you.
Thank you, honey.
See ya.
Hi to the fam. So you know what I'm going to say. Shop backwards, but also if it's in your cart, please complete your purchase. I don't want you to miss out on these shoes, the prices, the free shipping, and so much more. You know, I don't think there's anything going on tomorrow night, so you'll want to watch me from 6 to 9 p.m. I can't even ask you to come over during the commercials. But anyway, I'll be back tomorrow night with more great fashions. But Miss Rachel's coming up next with somebody who's going to have a very big weekend with you, Miss Kim Gravel. So stay tuned. Coming up next.